Hi guys, it's me, G123 here. Welcome back to another recording. So today we're going to be playing some hide and seek on Jailbreak. I had this idea from the other guy.
Yeah.
Hello. From the other YouTubers. No. So y'all have to be cop. Yeah. So I'll have to take one of your key cards. I will be hiding first.
So you take my key card. What I want to do, I want to make it so we can only hide in the police station.
No.
For the first round.
No.
Wouldn't that be fun though? We only hide in the police station for only the first round.
Come outside. Come to where I
am. Just so you know, I'm kind of still in the police place. So I have to go get a helicopter and stuff.
No, you have to give me a helicopter first. You have to give me a key card.
Wait, let me just open my safe. I have a safe that I want to open.
Yeah, because you're going to have to drop...
Oh.
Okay, so come out...
I got blue.
So come out to the driving area. Let me take a key card. And
hey, dude.
You will have to get on a timer and you will have to get on a timer and count and put the timer for 2 minutes.
Why? Okay, what I wish we could do. I wish, okay, so I'm just gonna go sit in this corner.
Okay, wait, no.
Okay.
No, just stay there. No, no, stop. I'm not even ready yet. I haven't even gotten the helicopter.
I'm counting.
No, I was gonna say you go in a corner until I'm done hiding.
Okay.
And you have
going out of the prison for the first round, okay?
No.
We'll discuss buildings after.
No.
You do know how long it will take to find each other if we leave the prison, right?
Yeah, I know.
I don't want to do it when we're outside the prison.
Well, I am.
Well, then I'm not going to play if you're doing it outside the prison.
Well, that's not fair, though.
Actually, it isn't fair if we're doing it outside the prison, because it will take about 2 hours to find you.
No, I get to tell you hints.
Oh. How about this? Once you're in your spot, you can't move, and you have to tell me hints.
Okay.
Okay, so tell me when you're there.
Okay.
But it can't be a place where, you can only get in at a certain time. You can't go inside, the bank or jewelry store or somewhere.
Well, you'll know where I am because I'll probably be hiding. No, it says, oh yeah, he started a robbery.
Oh. That is true. The thing is, how would I get into the jewelry store? Because you know how, the metal walls go down when someone goes in, right?
Yeah.
How would I get to the jewelry store?
You go
jewelry store and train are off limits, okay? That's the only place that's off limits.
Yeah, I wasn't planning on going there.
So, no going to the jewelry store or train?
I'm not. Because if I hide there, it will go through this part where I can't stay in it, and it will kick me out of it.
With the train, right? It does that?
Yeah.
Okay, are you ready?
No, I'm not. Are you kidding me?
Okay.
What? Why does this... No, what? No.
You're already really far away from the prison, right?
I'm not ready yet.
I know, I'm just saying, are you already really far away? Because I'm going to go, not actually leave. I'm just gonna, I want to grab that, I need to put on a shirt.
Are you kidding me? No, what is going on? Why did it do this to me? Maybe
what happened?
That will give me away my position, boy. You're trying to cheat.
Oh, yeah, never mind, sorry.
You're trying to cheat.
So I'm waiting by the helicopter, so when you're done, I can hop in and then go fly away. And then fly. Grab something to eat before curfew. No, I don't want to. It just happens to say that, so. You're a criminal, I'm police, there are no prisoners in this server. We will, destroy everything. How funny would it be if we had admin commands? Wonder what I would do.
What?
I would delete half the map. I would delete everything. Except for, like, the prison. Like, I would delete everything that actually looks, like, real, you know? I would delete the world except for all the buildings. Imagine that, though. Just imagine.
Hey, I'm ready.
Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
Let me put my slime down. I was playing with slime this entire time. Hop in the helicopter, and we're off. So, yeah. Hint. Hint number 1. I need a hint.
So I am by water.
Water?
Yeah.
If you're under the water, I don't think that's fair. Can you see me? I'm flying in my helicopter.
No.
I just landed on, like, an iceberg in the middle of a lake.
Cool.
Oh.
Do you want another hint?
Okay.
I
think I found where I might be hiding next time. Yeah, I found where I'm hiding next time.
I
think I just found a fair rule. We're not allowed going, like, under a lake. But we can go, like, in water, but we're not allowed going under a lake.
I can see a water tower.
You can see a water tower, huh?
Yeah.
Just remember, you're not allowed moving from your spot. So, if I find a water tower, you're pretty much doomed. Huh. Well, I just have to fly around and wait to find you. I just heard the train, and I don't have my volume turned up.
Yeah, that was on my.
So that means that that you can hear the train. Huh.
I am in a really good hiding spot.
So, cell time. Time for bed. Head to your cell. No thanks, I'm good.
So, do you want another hint or no?
Okay. I have no clue. I have no clue where you are.
This is your final hint.
Okay. Oh, what's that I see? I think I see a water tower. I see a helicopter. You're all the way out here, aren't you? I found your helicopter. Are you in it?
Maybe.
You do know how suspicious that sounds, right? So, you know what?
Oh my god.
I can't eject anything, so that means that I can't eject anyone from the helicopter, so that means...
Oh my gosh, no! Oh, you're so close.
Are you in a tree? If you're in a tree...
You're not allowed to go in trees.
Okay. Wait, I swear that I just saw something move. So can you like clearly see the water tower? Can you see me flying around in my helicopter?
Yes. Oh my gosh.
Wait.
Oh.
You know what? Wait, if you're running away, that's not allowed.
I'm not running away. I have a slight advantage because.
And what is this slight? What is the slight advantage?
I watched all of Ant's hide and seek videos with Dylan, the hyper. So I know all the good hiding spots that Ant's used.
Oh. Don't you think that isn't that fair? Wait.
You keep going around me. Oh my god.
Wait. What's this red flashing dot on my map? Hi.
You're not allowed to use the map.
I knew I found you anyways.
Well, you cheated.
Hi.
You used the
No,
map.
I didn't.
Well,
I was trying to find it for the entire time, but I was so blind they kept flying past me.
so X out of the map, okay?
I only just realized that it was there though, so
Do you see the map though?
no, I can't see it anymore. Let me hop into the passenger.
Okay, let me go. Can you give me a lift to my helicopter?
Yeah, I'll tell you when you can jump out, okay? Where's
No,
your
my
helicopter at?
No, bring me back to the prison.
Where's the helicopter? What happened to your helicopter?
I don't know.
I ate it. That's what happened. I literally ate it.
Bring me back to the prison, boyo.
You're still recording, right?
Yeah, I am.
Okay, good. This will be fun. Back to we're off to see the prison, the wonderful prison of
We
Oz.
actually
Here's
both
the
get-
prison.
We actually both get 2 times to hide.
No, I want to hide now.
I know, that's what I meant. You're gonna hide first.
Oh, okay. So
Okay, so you go now, and
okay.
I'm gonna count right here.
Wait, no. Come with me. You see where I'm going?
What?
Just step in here and count in here, okay?
Okay.
Just go in here.
Hey.
No. You fell off the ground. No going up though, because that's cheating. You can't go up. Okay, just sit there. Okay, I'll tell you when I'm ready. You have the map minimized, right?
Yeah, I do.
Because I have it minimized. Okay. I'm not quite ready yet. I will be soon, though.
The good thing about this server, it's only me and you who can play on the server.
That is true.
So no random idiots can play with us.
No, this is not a good spot. I'm going to. I thought I found a spot that would be good, but it really isn't.
Did you just see my money go down?
What did you buy?
Bunch of cases.
You just got a common yellow window. I found the best spot in the world.
No, you didn't.
Okay. Yes, I did. Come find me. You will never find me ever.
So,
I am in such a good spot.
really, first hint.
Snow. Just kidding.
That's not.
I'm up pretty high. I'm pretty high up. Next hint. Do you want the hint?
No, I don't need it.
Oh, okay. This will be so fun.
No, well, okay.
I don't think you're gonna find me. I found the best spot ever.
I see your helicopter, Dylan.
Okay, so that doesn't prove anything. What if I just left it there as a decoy to fool you? Have you considered if I did that?
Well, still, I don't.
No, seriously, that's actually what I left it there to do. I'm not even kidding. I actually left it there just to fool you.
Wait,
I left my helicopter there to fool you.
is that a police hat I see? Yes, it is.
Yeah, where is it then?
I think I see.
I can't see.
You do know that there's a lot of. Oh, I found you.
Oh.
No.
Hi. Wonder where I was
So-
originally hiding? I was up here originally.
So
just chilling right here.
So basically,
Hi.
I completely.
Oh, hi, dude.
I completely wrecked you in that round.
Hey, it's because you play this way more, so you know, like, you've watched, like, half the hide-and-seek videos.
But they never hid there.
Oh.
The only reason I found you because your helicopter was right there.
Well, I left it pretty far away from you still.
Okay,
So can I just count up here? I'm just going to count up here, staring at my badge.
Okay.
Okay, just tell me when you're ready.
Okay.
But that still was a pretty good spot, wasn't it? If I didn't leave my helicopter there.